The London property market is experiencing high levels of competition at the moment, with lots of brokers and insurers seeking the business and striving to provide the best service and products possible. This is an area brokers and insurers can add value to customers, and with this in mind, as part of our Expertise A to Z series, I'm delighted to welcome Allianz's John Dunn to the studio today to discuss the property market. Welcome to the studio, John.
Thank you.
First of all, what emerging trends are we seeing in the London property market at the moment?
The particular area of the property market I operate in is the real estate sector. Within real estate, over the past few years, we've seen the economy improve. That's led to investment in the construction sector. That money into the construction sector has come not just from the UK, but from overseas, and we're also seeing money from the UK going overseas as well. That's led to a change in the way that some of the property funds are being approached. We're seeing new UK investment funds being created, but we're also seeing an increase in the way that funds are handled overseas. So the specific insurance impact of that is the real estate sector would traditionally have been dealt with on a UK only basis or small collections of regional properties. We're now much more seeing a trend towards pan-European programmes. The implications this has for insurers is that we need to look at our teams, the skills we have in our teams to service that type of business, and the systems that we have in place to support that as well. From my own perspective, we've just recently had to consider what's the future direction for our team, and we've created some new roles and invested in systems that support that trend within the market.
What challenges does this bring for brokers?
Significant challenges. The traditional issues of risk management and claims payment, claims handling are massively exacerbated on a pan-European or international basis. In addition, it brings the need to understand different legal, different fiscal, and even different weather patterns that are encountered overseas. And very significantly, the implications of getting this wrong are not just financial or reputational, but can also be criminal as well.
How can brokers add value in this competitive market?
There's significant opportunity for brokers to add value here. In a number of areas, key to this is having a proposition, a bespoke and tailored proposition that can support the different needs of their clients. They can act as a centre of excellence for their clients and demonstrate an understanding of the different risks that are presented in the different territories. They can also work with a network, a local network that can support the client's placement of business in those different territories. The other key thing is selecting an insurer that has the geographic reach and skills to support that business placement.
What can insurers do to support brokers at this time?
There's quite a lot that insurers can do, and this for me falls into two key areas. First one is customer centricity, so having a proposition that responds to the needs of brokers and clients, the ability to have a tailored product and coverage that supports the needs and understands the different operating environments that a client and broker might be operating in. The second area for me is increasingly being digital by default, embracing technology and deploying technology in support of the brokers that means we can handle this sort of business as smoothly as possible.
Okay, thank you. Unfortunately, that's all we have time for today, but thank you, John. If you'd like to read more about the London property market, look out for our next instalment of our Expertise A to Z in Post, or check out the whole series at www.postonline.co.uk/tag/expertise-forum. That's all from me for now. Goodbye.